Victoria ISD is inviting our community inside our schools. We're hosting campus tours so you can see the facilities and projects included in Bond 2026 firsthand. Walk the campuses, learn about the projects, and how they address aging facilities, campus expansions, renovations and modernization, the construction of a new Hopkins Elementary, district-wide safety and lighting enhancements, and the demolition of obsolete buildings that continue to drive up unnecessary entrance and utility costs. Tours run February through April, and transportation is available if needed. Come see the needs. Come learn the plan. Be informed before voting. Register today at visd.net/bond 2026. Early voting begins April 20th. Election Day is May 2nd.